Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix update KB5037771 and KB5037591 not installing on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first solution, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for app readiness service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, you just need to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can try updating your Windows and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C. Now you just need to select view option on the top and select show, and you just need to check mark hidden items. After check marking it, you will be see WinRE agent folder. You just need to right click on it and select cut it. After cutting this folder, just minimize it and just paste it in desktop. Select continue. After pasting the WinRE agent folder in desktop, now you need to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, you can try updating your Windows and check if the problem solved or not. After finish updating the Windows, you just need to right click on it, the WinRE agent file, and you just need to cut and paste it in the same location where local disk C. And after pasting it, and I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.